Hey you guys, hope okay. Half of the road and I'm mostly asleep. I hardly slept last night, guys, but my eyes are shutting like literally. We're almost there. Yeah. Wow, this is Nakuru County, an area called Bahati. So we stopped by this place to, get my niece out of this particular school that uh, is in this county and transfer to another school. Basically, I wanted you to see the beauty. Look at the terrain. The terrain is so beautiful. Just look at how beautiful it is and how green. This green reminds you of good rain that has rained in our country, though it has caused a bit of havoc. Look at those animals. It's so beautiful, guys. So we were headed to Bahati Girls St. Pakita. It's in Bahati. I don't know if Bahati is a constituency or it's an estate in Nakuru town. And then we'll be after this we'll be heading to Nakuru. I'll be showing you the cleanest city in Kenya and amongst the cleanest ones in Africa. I'll show you Nakuru. I don't know what you say about that, but that is what it is. Nakuru is so clean. When you walk, I might not be able to walk around Nakuru to show you, but I'm sure I capture snippets of Nakuru town. I'm telling you, Nakuru is a beautiful, beautiful place. Yeah, I've been there on a mission, and then I took some time to go around the city myself. Man, the city is so clean, so clean, so clean. So this is the neighborhood of Bahati, and we are just about to get to Bahati Girls, and then here we are. Look at that fence. This school is an extra county school, which is run by the Diocese of Nakuru, and it's such a nice school. Yeah, but it's what it is. So guys, here is Bahati Girls St. Bakita, Nakuru. If you're looking for an extra county school and you're around this place, or you can always get in and find out. So we made a quick stop by, cleared with the management, and voila, was done. And as usual, made us to snoop around. That is Form 3. Yeah, they were just going for games, and look at their dressing. They just look awesome. Yeah, they were just near where I was, seated, and so I decided to capture a bit of them. Look at how beautiful the girls are. And you remember when we were in school, there was, a class called PE, practical exercise, which we loved it when it was near lunchtime, because at times when you go for PE and go back to class and change, it's so hectic. But when it's near a break, it makes a lot of sense. So here they are, and they're doing nice. This is the front view of St. Bakita Bahari Girls. Look at how green it is. The flora is so beautiful. I mean, the landscaping is wow. Yeah, that is near the administration block. Yeah, and they have school buses. Yeah, nowadays our country has these school buses that are put in yellow. And voila, this is me coming live and direct from Nakuru County, the heart of Nakuru County. This is Bahari Girls. Guys, today we came because we were transferring our niece to a different school. But apparently, when we came to this place, we realized more than 20 parents have been transferring their kids for the last 2 days. And we were like, what's happening? Like, really? And I kept asking, when you see, like I always say, if you have a boyfriend, if you're a woman and 20 boyfriends leave you, there's a problem. If you're a man and 20 women leave you, there's a problem. Like it is if it's a job and the redundancy levels are too high or numbers are too high, there's a problem with that organization. Basically, is there a problem with the school? How can you lose 20 students in 2 days, guys? Anyway, that's that. I'm not here to preempt, I'm not here to prejudge, but basically I'm coming live and direct from Nakuru County, Bahari Girls. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back. Keep subscribing, keep subscribing, keep subscribing. I love you so much. Put in a comment, notification bell, and leave a sweet comment below, guys. Encourage us, we love you, yeah? That's an order. Love is given to you freely. Ciao, loved ones. And once we were done, we headed now to Nakuru town. Just walk with me and see one of the most beautiful cities we have in our country, Kenya. And when you visit Kenya and you want to go to the North Rift, to pass via Nakuru, Naivasha, they're very beautiful sceneries you see on your way. Just enjoy.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
apparently transferring from one school to another has never been that easy. So as we were cruising to Nakuru, just look at how beautiful this place is. We were looking for the regional, education office so that we could get our documents signed, so that we would take them back to the recipient constituency where my niece is going to school. But as we were going, I could not miss the moment of how beautiful Nakuru town is. You understand? Just look at how beautiful this place is. Just, it's breathtaking. I loved it. As we were driving around looking for that office, I didn't know that Nakuru has a beautiful place called Nyayo Gardens. Hey, Madam Susan, you're doing well. Wow, this looks so beautiful, clean. You see? Can you see any litters around? You can't. Like, it's so clean. It's so clean, Yani. I loved it. Just look. Wow. This is Africa, Kenya, guys. Nakuru City. Yeah. If you're visiting us, you can visit this place. Just look at how cute. Wow. Just look. That's a telecom building. There's a telecom right there. And there's an hotel there too. That is Jirani Supermarket on the far end, white. And then we are taking the next roundabout, going down to KPLC. That's where our offices are. Just look at that. Yeah, we missed the office, and then we went to go back, but I got a very nice gentleman who assisted us this process. Oh, some people are just so kind. Yeah, he looked at us and said the one who was driving the vehicles looked like someone he knew, and so he was so helpful. You see, I was just assuming if we were rude to him. That's why I always say in life, don't despise anybody, because you never know. That gate man you're despising on a daily basis. Look at content creation. Wow, at core. Very many content creators on this route. Just look. They're all taking pictures. Some of them are taking passport photos. Since they're around this place, there are very many government, offices. So just like I was saying, don't despise anyone in this life. Life as a way of reminding you, that gate man you're treating so bad today, tomorrow you may need him or her to cross to a certain place, and I don't know where you will hide yourself if you realize this is a person you treated like trash. In life, even though God has blessed you with something, don't look at others in those eyes of we are better than you. Tomorrow is never promised. We live by grace, guys. Treat everyone right. Treat everybody equal. Treat everyone with humanity. Yeah. You can never tell about tomorrow. Me, I'm so keen on not to, treat people with scorn. You never know. Even the people who just treat you with scorn. Have you been in an Uber or in a Bolt transportation and the driver is so rude until you're like, geez, why did I? Like, there's a day I was in a Bolt ride. This driver was so serious. He was a Gen Z, not driving so well, and he's not someone you can even tell, hold up, bro, you're not driving so well. So in this life, hey, be kind, be patient with people. You never know about tomorrow. You never know about tomorrow. So this is us here looking for the regional office. We ended up to going to the governor's office. Yeah, and while we were at the governor's office, there was a guy who went parked a motorbike around that place, and the forces were telling him how they were going to arrest him. And I asked them, you guys, why do you want to arrest someone who has not done nothing? Just tell him, don't park in this spot. In this life, treat someone well. You never know. I mean, God will repay it for you. Do it and go. Yeah, do it and go. So office of the president, here we got our office, and we're just about to do what brought us here. But guys, did you see how clean Nakuru is? Have you seen any litter since we started? Any litter? None. Guys, that is the Nakuru Golf Club. Those people who play golf, they say golf is for, yeah, for sure it's for the rich, because that casing itself that carries the balls, it's very expensive, and it's for networking, business people. Yeah, when you grow up, you want to be a golfer. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, guys, so we're just done what you were doing, and I was in that office where I met this lady, very beautiful woman, who we had a very good chat on a lot of things about the Gen Zs and the millennials, and how you should advise and talk to them. And voila, this is us trying to exit Nakuru town. Just look, the traffic is starting to build up. Yeah, go along with me. Yeah.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living on.
stopping at Chicken Barista for a cup of tea and a chicken pie. I jai met to the Melbourne. We've been here since 5. We started coming here since 5. Look. In a tedious day, we are headed back to Nairobi, and we thank God for ya for watching. Keep locked. I love you guys. We come for prayer. It's called Evans Gate Prayer Mountain. If you're visiting Kenya and you want a place you can come and pray, that is the place. Prayer Mountain. You see? Beautiful place. Shout out to John Williams Kimani. Wow, it's beautiful. Just look. I wonder what was. Wow, this is Lake Elementaita. Angadi anyone. Kenya is beautiful. That is Lake Elementaita. Lake Elementaita. Just have a look. Wow. Karibu ni barabara kule. I think ni Elementaita bado. Kwani kubwaje?
Sura hiyo umeiona pale imefunikiwa na mlima, ulikuwa umeionea huko ikiwa huko.
Like Elementaita. Hey guys, I would urge all of us to keep safe during the rain. As we were driving towards Nairobi from Kikuyu and Naivasha, the rain started from Naivasha. I'm telling you, the visibility on the roads is 0. So if you're driving vehicles on these roads and you're rushing, or rather you're driving at a very high speed, be very careful. You'd have started yesterday, but so long as you're driving and you're driving people in your vehicle, go slow. Even if it means 20 kilometers per hour, there's no one who is fighting with you. Imagine it was too rainy, the water was too much, we came so slow. Just look at that. All the way up to Nairobi, we went all the way home, it was still raining, and serious rain. So guys, wherever you find yourself and you're driving, don't drive so fast. You know, we've been having a lot of cases of deaths in this country because of poor visibility and drivers. Like there's a driver who passed us, shoo, that was 100 kilometers far in the rain. Jesus Christ. Even no words. But basically, let's be keen. Let's know we are carrying lives, and things that can be prevented, let's prevent them, guys. Thank you always for coming back to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you always for coming back to view my videos. I don't take you for granted. I love you. I appreciate you so much. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Medrin is about to hit 3,000 subs, and I'm so privileged to have you as my viewers. I always say, whether you're 10, 20, 30, I respect you. Whether you're 10,000, I respect you. And I thank God for you. Keep supporting your girl. I love you so much. But most of all, if you find yourself in a rainy environment or rainy day, keep safe. Don't rush. Don't rush. Please don't rush. Yeah, drive with me mpaka home. See you soon.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. as we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this
Nairobi
journey,
is beautiful.
we're living on.
Just look at the underpasses, uppasses, side passes. And here we have Campus Sky, GTC, and Global Trade Center. Just look at it.
On this road, every
Pan
scene's
Pacific
a
Hotel, GTC resident, Kofisi. Man, the things that are around this place, man, you want to see it. Just look at that. Pan Pacific, we get it. GTC Nairobi office, what? Robot Trade Center. Here we come, and then you have Camp High Sky. But what? Say what? See those buildings, mama? You feel like you're in the New York, man. New York. Feel like you're in New York. Just look at how tall these skyscrapers are, guys. Guys, traffic is building up, and here we have the hotel that once used to host presidents. It's called Kempinski, but now is now. I don't know if presidents still sleep here. The Kempinski, Villa Rosa, and Nairobi need to move. What? Say what? Say what? Guys, with the love of Christ, do you see how this water is behaving? If you're in a place, look. If you're in a place where water is so deep, kindly don't rush. You see how this water is behaving? I don't know how long it's been raining around this place, but man, the water is too much. Whoa. Jesus of Nazareth, save us from this. Whoa. See? Yeah, be very careful. You see the rain is splashing, guys. English kwa Meru ilipitia tu. Usinihukumu. Look at that rain. Be very careful, my loved ones. Go slow. Matatus, go slow. You are carrying very many people inside, as well as smokers. Go slow. Yeah. It's raining watus. You want to see us? Inanyesha. Guys. What? Mwendo wa mtu. What? Just look at that. Be safe, my peeps. Hey, huyo. Whoa, just have a look at that, babies and boys, babes and babies. What? My friend. What? Just look at that. Be safe, my peeps. Hey, huyo. Whoa, just have a look at that. Roma girls. Sasa. Welcome to Roma Girls. Vizuri. Sasa girls Nairobi. Wait. Settled in Huruma girls. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.